If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a 2018 Porsche Panamera 4. This is a vehicle that previously sustained freshwater flood damage and we just finished repairing. Just want to show you guys the finished product. Car came out flawless. Engine compartment's clean. No rust, no corrosion. Perfect. Let's do a quick walk around. As you can see, the body's clean. We just finished detailing the vehicle. This is the finished product. We will offer financing on this. We will probably take it through salvage state inspection and have a rebuild title issued. I have the opportunity to own this vehicle for 30 to 35% off retail value. It's tremendous savings, especially with the shortage of vehicles right now. Really nice car. It turned out perfect. Let's take a look inside. The interior is in perfect condition. Doesn't smell like water. No signs of water. No indication of water. We go through a lot of trouble to make sure these cars are perfect when we repair them. $13,000 miles. Really nice vehicle. Super happy with the way this one turned out. Nice oversized wheels. We're going to road test the car for a week or two, make sure everything's perfect on it, and then we'll put it on the market. Thanks for watching the video.